Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new English rhyme, and the name of the rhyme is 10 fluffy chickens. So let's enjoy the video. Okay, let's start the poem with me. 5 eggs and 5 eggs, that makes 10. Sitting on the top is the mother hen. Crackle, crackle, crackle. What do I see? 10 fluffy chickens, as yellow as can be. 10 fluffy chickens, as yellow as can be. Okay, I will repeat again. Let's start again with me. 5 eggs and 5 eggs, that makes 10. Sitting on the top is the mother hen. Crackle, crackle, crackle. What do I see? 10 fluffy chickens, as yellow as can be. Bye bye.